update. Earthquake of 3.4 magnitude strikes Balkar in Maharashtra. No casualty. An earthquake of 3.4 magnitude was experienced in Balkar district in Maharashtra at 5 am on Monday, District Disaster Control Shell Chief Vivekanand Kadam said. However, no casualty or damage to any property have been reported, he further said. The district has been seeing low to moderate intensity earthquakes since November 2018, especially in its Dahanu and Talasari talukas. Global coronavirus cases exceed 5 crore mark, Reuters tally. Global COVID-19 cases crossed the 5 crore mark mainly due to the recent surge in cases being reported across the world, according to the Reuters tally. The world on average reported 5.4 lakh COVID-19 cases daily in the past 7 days. It climbed. Europe in the worst affected region with over 1.2 crore COVID-19 cases, the tally showed. Will announce coronavirus task force on Monday, said Joe Biden. US President-elect Joe Biden said that he will announce a task force to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic on Monday. This group will be charged with developing a blueprint for containing COVID-19 once Biden takes office in January. That plans will be built on a bedrock science. It will be constructed out of compassion, empathy and concern, he added. Woman divorces her husband after 3 years of marriage to let him marry girlfriend. A woman in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, divorced her husband after 3 years of marriage to help him marry his girlfriend. He wanted to be in marital relationship with both of them, which is not legally possible, but the wife is very mature. She divorced him and helped him marry his girlfriend, this lawyer said. Worker baths in milk at Turkish dairy plant, arrested after video goes viral. A dairy worker was arrested in Turkey after a video showing him bathing in a tub filled with milk at a plant went viral on social media. After the worker and the individual who filmed the video were arrested, the dairy was temporarily closed. Konya Public Prosecutor Officer confirmed that it has opened an investigation into the incident. Mallika Sherawat, 10 years old pic with US Vice President-elect Kamala Harris goes viral after news outlets announced the result of US elections. A picture of actress Mallika Sherawat with Vice President-elect Kamala Harris from 2010 has gone viral. With Kamala Harris, Attorney General of San Francisco, I was inspired by her for my role in Politics of Love, Mallika had written. In 2009, Mallika had tweeted having fun at a fancy event with Kamala Harris. India's first drone pilot training program announced at Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Academy. Government-run flight training institute Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Academy has announced its plan to begin India's first drone pilot training courses at its campus in Fazilganj, Amethi. Secretary of Ministry of Civil Aviation P.S. Karola, who made the announcement, noted that India has the potential to become number one in drone revolution just like it led the software revolution. Dutch government test tech that reduces e-bikes power to cut road deaths. A Dutch government-funded technology that reduces e-bikes power has been successfully trialed on a 4-kilometer stretch at an airport. The technology will be used to shut down e-bikes motors while entering residential or built-up areas of Amsterdam to cut road deaths. The makers of technology are working with e-bike makers and authorities for the technology's rollout possibly by 2022. Kamala Harris as US Vice President was long overdue, said Joe Biden. Speaking on Kamala Harris being elected as the US Vice President, President-elect Joe Biden said that it was long overdue. Kamala Harris will become US first female, first black and first South Asian Vice President when she takes office. We are reminded tonight of all those who fought so hard for so many years to make this happen, he added. Uttarakhand launches free Wi-Fi connectivity for all state colleges. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat has launched a free high-speed Wi-Fi service for all government colleges and universities in the state. Rawat said that Uttarakhand has now become first state in India to connect all universities of the state with high-speed internet connectivity. He added that the move is a big step towards the Digital India initiative. Strongest beer in the world is Snake Venom. It has around 67.5% alcohol content. New York-based woman who was looking to book an Uber to airport found that Uber helicopter was the cheapest option. Chameleon can stretch its tongue more than 3 times the length of its body. It's estimated that only 20% of the human population can wiggle their ears and raise one eyebrow. Word Amul is derived from Sanskrit word Amulya, which means precious or priceless. Amul is also an acronym for Anand Milk Union Limited.